Do you like to enjoy the sun most of the year? Do you like the blue flag sandy beaches which Orihuela Costa has to offer? Do you like playing golf? Do you like playing shopping? Or would you like to swim in this massive communal pool? Then I have the ideal apartment for you, which I'm going to show you today. My name is Marcel. Welcome to Sun Golf Beach, a modern residential complex located just about under 2 kilometers from the Villamartin Golf Course. Would you like to see more? Then please follow me. Right, I just came out from the elevator and this apartment is located on the second floor and it offers 70 square meters of built surface, featuring a wide open plan dining and living area and a modern style fully equipped kitchen. Well, the kitchen comes fully equipped with all the white goods, such as the oven, vitro, the hob, microwave, dishwasher, washing machine and fridge freezer. And obviously your hot water boiler. The real highlight of this apartment are the two terraces this property has to offer. One is west facing to enjoy the sunset and one is east facing, ideal for the morning breakfast enjoying the sea views. From this terrace you have two ways to access. One is from the kitchen and one is from the door just behind me, accessible from the living room. This apartment offers two generously sized bedrooms and two bathrooms. One of the bathrooms are en suite, offering a walk-in shower. Both bedrooms offers as well fitted-in wardrobes with sliding doors. So, as I mentioned earlier in the video, that's the east-facing terrace coming out from the master bedroom. This terrace is ideal if you want to enjoy sea views and your morning coffee. A stylish apartment sold fully furnished with the white goods. It comes with deducted air conditioning, hot and cold, mosquito nets on all the windows, and the very highlight as well, included in the price, a designated underground parking space. If you enjoyed the video and you would like to receive more videos from us, click on the subscribe button underneath and put the thumbs up. Thank you and see you next time.